Good morning, children. Today we can study about the distances, children. About the distances. Distances from home to school. What is the distances from home to school? And so we can write it here. How far is your home from school? How far is your home from school? Look at your children. In the textbook, you can take page number 20. In that page number 20, you can see one picture here. You can see the picture under the page that middle of that page. You can see one picture. In that picture, you can see one house. Here you can see one house, and at the end you can see one school already there. Here home is here and school is the in between. That is the distances. What are the distances from the home to the school? Look at your children, and in between you can see one pond already there. That pond you can see in blue color. That is a pond. From home you can see here telling Momun comes to school from very far, and he first walks about 400 meters to the pond, and with slippers in his hands he then walks 150 meters through the pond, and next he runs across the 350 meters wide green field. Last, then he carefully crosses the 40 meters wide road to reach his school. So the house is here. From that house he walks about 400 meters to the pond. So from here, look here, from the home to pond, that is the distance from the home to the pond, that is 400 meter. The distance from the home from home to the pond, that is 400 meters, and with his slippers in sand he then walks 150 meters through the pond, and he walk through the pond, that is 150 meter. That is 150 meter. This pond, that is the distance of that pond is 150 meter, and next he runs across 350 meters wide green field, and you can see that one wide that is a green field you can see the, and the distance of that green field is, that is 350. That is width of that green field, that is 350 meter, and last he run across the crosses the road, that is 40 meter wide. That is the road is this road. You can see the yellow color, that path you can see, that is a road, that is 40 meters. Then what is the distances? How much distances covered from home to school, or what is the distances in between this home and school? Okay, that we want to find out. So you have to take it from home to pond, that is 400 meter, and distances in the pond, that is, or width of that pond is, that is 150 meter, isn't it? 150 meter, and width of that green field, that is 350 meter, and at last he run across the road or cross the road, that is 40 meter. So we want to find out what is the distance, or how far that home is from the school. So we can write it, that you have to write it the statement also. Then question is, how much does Momon walk every day to reach the school? That is, what is the meaning of that, children? What is the distances of the how much distances coming from the home to the school? So we can write it there, children. How much does Momon walk every day to reach school? Or what is the distances? What is the distances from home to school? From home to school. Okay, and then before that you can draw a column. Draw a column. First you have to draw a column, and you can write it. What is the distances? Distances of the 400 meter, isn't it? Distances of the distance from home to pond. Home to pond. From home to pond. What is the distances from home to pond? What is the distances from home to pond, children? That is 400 meter, isn't it? That is 400 meter. That 400 meter you can write it here. And next one is, that is the width of the pond, isn't it? What is the width of the pond, children? Width of the pond, that is 150 meter, isn't it? 150 meter. And next, distance of that green field, isn't it? Next is distance of that green field. Distance of green field, that is 350 meter, isn't it? 350 meter. And distance of the road, distance of road, that is 40 meter, isn't it? That is 40 meter. Look here, from home to pond, this one is the pond. From home to pond, that is 400 meter. And from here, the pond, the width of the pond, that is 150 meter. And distance of this green field or width of this green field, that is 350 meter. And at last he crossed the road from here onwards, that is 40 meters. So we want to add these distances, then you will get it. How far Momon's house from the school? Okay, then we can take it total distance. So these are the distances from the home to the school in different ways. That is distances of the home to school, or from home to school, that is in different ways they given. That is distance from home to pond, that is 400 meter. And width of that pond, that is, that also he walk, isn't it? So that is width of pond, that is 150 meter. And next distances of that green field, that is 350 meter. And at last he walk through the road also to reach the school, isn't it? That is 40 meters. So you want to find out what is the total distance of this from home to school, isn't it? So total distance means you want to add that distances. Okay, total distance from home to school. From home to school is 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40. And you can make use of now place the 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40. Okay, these distances you have to add it. Then make use of, this is the working column. This working column you can use it, children. 400 plus 150 plus 350 plus 40. Then you have to write the digits in proper way, children. You have to write the digits in the proper places. Look here. 400, that is 3-digit number, 400. 150, 3-digit number. 350 also 3-digit number. And 40 means that is 2-digit number. Ones and tens. So 2 digits, don't write it like this. Then that will be wrong. So 40 means you have to write it from here. 40, 40, 2-digit, that you have to write it under 5. Okay. Then 0, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14. Remaining 1. Yes, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So 940 meter. What is the total distance? That is 940 meter. That is the total distance. Okay. Then next question. Is it more than 1 kilometer? This 140 meter, is it more than 1 kilometer, children? No. That is 1 kilometer means that is 1000 meter, isn't it? This number 940 is less than 1000. So that is not not more than 1 kilometer. Okay. Then next one is an activity for you, children. That is, find out how far your friends live from school and fill the table. Write in meters or kilometers. Okay. Yes, you have to write it here. Your friend's name you can write it here. And you can ask what is the distance from the home to school. you asked your friends and your friends will ask their parents. Okay, then they will get it what is the distance from the school, from the home to school, and then if they giving that answer, then you can write it that distances here. Okay, and you have to write the answers for that. Now I will write it here, guess and write it. If you didn't get it, then you can guess and write it, children. Okay, listen here. Yes, friend's name here, friend's name, and distances from home to school, isn't it? Then you can write, I will write it here, three names: Manu, Monu, and Tommy. Yes, Manu, Monu, Tommy. Look here. Yes, Manu's, the distances from the Manu's house to school, that is, we can take it as 2 kilometer and 15 meter. And here Monu's, that is 50 meter. Okay, 50 meter. And next Tommy's, we can take it as 1 kilometer and 60 meter. These are the distances from the home to school of these children. From Manu's home to school, that is 2 kilometer 50 meter, and from Manu's house, that is 50 meter, and from Tommy's house to school, that is 1 kilometer 60 meter. From this table, you can give the answer for that. Who among you lives nearest to the school? Who among lives nearest to the school, children? This one is Manu, that is 2 kilometer 50 meter, and distance of Manu, that is 50 meter, and 1 kilometer 60 meter. Then which one is the nearest one? Which one, who is living nearest to the school? That is, you can see, you can understand which one, 50, isn't it? Okay, very good. 50 meters. So Manu is living near the school. And second question, how many children live less than 1 kilometer away from your school? How many children lives less than 1 kilometer? 1 kilometer means that is 1000 meter, isn't it? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. Then who is living less than 1000 meter? This one is the 2 kilometer. So that is more than 1 kilometer. And this one is 1 kilometer and 60 meter. So that is also more than 1 kilometer, isn't it? So next one, Monu, that is 50 meter, that is already less than 1 kilometer. So Monu is living less than 1 kilometer distance. Okay. The next one, is there anyone who lives more than 5 kilometer away from the school? Anyone lives more than 5 kilometer distance? Is anyone more than 5 kilometer? No, this one is 2 kilometer 50 and this one is 1 kilometer 60 50. So that is answer is not. Then you have to ask your friends and you write it your friend's name and you ask them, and if you get it the distances from them, then you can write it there, or otherwise you can guess and write it here, and you can write the answers for this question. That is an activity for you. Okay, okay children, then this second chapter is already over, so we can take the test paper on Monday, lesson 2. Okay, okay children, bye.